Honestly, if you have these myths about Instagram Reels, I want you to remove them from your brain right away. Hey guys, I'm Urvi and let's get started with the myths you have about Instagram Reels. There are various myths which I see floating around on Instagram and even on YouTube, and people are like, oh, Instagram Reels is just for dancers, first being first. So, no, it is not just for dancers. If you've seen videos of people literally, I don't care about what niche they are in, from beauty, fashion, interior design, selling products, e commerce, spirituality, pets, dogs, dancing, singing, engineering, books, everything has it. Instagram Reels is not just only for dancing and like doing those transition videos where you change clothes and everything. No, it is for every single one. How do you know it? I myself have a educational account. I myself have two accounts, which is one beauty fashion related and then other a educational account. So my reels have gotten 600k, 200k, 100k, all of those views. And this is basically a live example, a live success story that reels are for every single one. So definitely put that myth in the dustbin, because honestly it works for everyone. You just need to know exactly what kind of reels to create so that you'd start getting the traction. The next myth is that there is no scope for Instagram Reels for small creators. I am a small creator as well. I want to show you a graph. I would try to insert something over here, but I want to show you. I was at 12,000 followers when I posted this Instagram reel, which blew up, which gave me 600k views on Urvi Designs, which is basically explaining people how they can earn money from Instagram and how much should they charge on Instagram. And I got 3,000 followers within the span of 1 week. 3,000. And I'm a small creator. Same thing happened for my Urvi page, where I basically talked about makeup products which I loved in 2020. Price category wise, like under 500 rupees, under 200 rupees, under 1,000 rupees. A lot of people loved it. Again, gained 3,000 followers within 1 week. I think I went from 32,000 to 35,000 within 1 week. Again, I'm a small creator. I did not even have that much of a higher crazy engagement rate, but like people do watch it. I'm not gonna lie. Like Instagram Reels, see it in this way. If you go to your Instagram Reels homepage right now, and if you scroll through, 90% of the videos which you see are by newer people who you not follow. So the probability of your video landing on thousands of other people's phones on their explore feed is so much likely than versus when it comes to post. Like when you post, you know that like most amount the most people who are going to watch your post and videos, normal videos, is going to be the people who follow you. But on Instagram Reels, it is both. Like your audience sees your reels on homepage, but also people who scroll on explore feed, which is basically me, for like 2 hours every single day. I literally keep on scrolling, and whoever I like, I just hit the follow button. Like it is that simple. So definitely it is for small creators. I am a small creator. I've gained thousands of followers from that. Oh, and by the way, if you want to know how to get viral using reels, what type of reels to create, the pillars of content, what it is actually all about, then make sure to enroll into the Instagram Rock with Reels masterclass. This is basically a masterclass which explains everything about Instagram Reels, how I gained those amazing followers and how I got these crazy notifications every single day, and how I am literally growing organically using Instagram Reels without even having to pay a penny to Instagram and Facebook ads. And the next myth which people say, Reels are not that effective. Honey, did you see my results first of all? They are effective. You cannot just expect them to run or get viral in the first few posts that you have made, but definitely if you put in the work, if you do all the research, if you do the content research, and if you make it worthy, viral worthy, why not will your reels go viral? Honestly, why not? From the day Instagram Reels launched, which was in June or July, I would say in July of 2020, I have posted reels almost every single day. I might have skipped like 2 or 3 days, but like I have posted reels every single day since Instagram Reels has launched, and that has changed the game for me. Like, I remember my engagement rate was low and everything was just not good, let's just say that. So, but then Reels came, posted videos every single day, and you can see my page for yourself now, and I get, I think, almost like 4,000 plus story views, and like the likes are high. I mean, I'm not telling you to brag, but it's practical. Like, I've all explained everything in the Reels course, but it's practical. If you keep on consistently posting it, you will definitely see the results. There are so many other people who have went viral. One is Niharika, one is Saurabh Gadge Vines. His reels are amazing. There are so many people who create phenomenal reels, and it has just worked. They have started from nowhere, and now they are like everywhere basically. So yeah, if you have those Instagram reels myths, put them in a dustbin, because right now is the time to start creating videos so that you can run a business on Instagram. If you want to become a content creator, influencer, a social media business owner, I've seen people getting so many sales because of Instagram reels. They just post, like, okay, for example, okay, if someone is selling this blush, they will be like, okay, this is the blush, this is the packaging, this is available in this color, DM to buy, and people buy it. Trust me. How cool is that? So definitely does not matter if you're just a creator, if you are into e-commerce, if you're selling products, services, go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to watch these videos which are mentioned just right here. I upload videos every single day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.